it's almost impossible to think she's a foodie because she has like the perfect figure. But let's ask Malaika if she is or if she's not. Malaika, are you a foodie?
Contrary to what I look, I'm a complete foodie. I think, and the good thing is all my friends, family, people, I think the one common thing that we all have is food. I think we all connect on food. We talk food. We keep discussing food all the time, what to make, where to go. So I think food is pretty integral in our lives.
And how much of a cook are you? What is and of course what's Arbaz's favorite dish that you cook?
I think I'm a fairly good cook actually. I started cooking purely because one day Arbaz said, you're great, but you don't really cook for me, because somewhere I didn't quite master the art of cooking, and I took it up as a challenge, and I said, okay, now you see how well I can cook, and I decided to do that. And in fact, people in the business know it's probably a dream for me that one day I'll be able to open my own restaurant. It's something that I've always wanted to do, so that's also there in the pipeline.
Great. Along with that, you're also producing movies. Everybody knows that. Has Arbaz cooked for you when you're angry or something? Try to make up like a makeup meal or something?
No, he hasn't. He doesn't like getting into the kitchen too much. I think he pretty much leaves that aspect to me. And I love cooking, and I love feeding people at home, and I really enjoy making desserts. So
what about your brother-in-law Salman? I'm sure you've cooked meals for him also.
I think his mom is probably, my mother-in-law is probably one of the world's best cooks around. She is fantastic. So I think any of us would pale in comparison to what she cooks. I mean, the food that's cooked in my in-laws' house is phenomenal.
Besides the food, I think another very interesting thing is your item number Houseful too, which is already doing the talks. You're becoming an Anarkali now, am I correct?
Yep, Anarkali, that's what it is. Anarkali, Chali, disco.
I think besides the entire town, you do one item number and then that becomes like the talk of the year for some time. So do you think Anarkali is almost as close to Munni somewhere?
It's very different. You can't really compare, but I keep my fingers crossed that people like it, and again it becomes a chart buster, but it's completely different. It's nothing like Munni at all.
And what's your new production that you're planning to do? Which movie are you planning to produce now?
We're doing Dabangg 2. We start early next year. So right now we are in the process of pre-production, and it's driving us all crazy, but we're all really excited about it.
You saw Tom Cruise was here. Everybody was talking about how the Mission Impossible 4 premiere and everything. How did you view the entire frenzy?
He's a huge star. I've always been a Tom Cruise fan from the time I remember. In fact, I think Tom Cruise is one of the few posters that adorn my wall. I am a hardcore Tom Cruise fan. I never miss a film of his, and I'm looking forward to seeing this film as well.
Why weren't you there in the premiere?
Because I was not here actually. I was out of town, and I'd much rather see the film in the theatre like the way I always do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
मूविंग ऑन, बात कल्की की। रिसेंटली जब एक फूड अवार्ड के दौरान हमें मिली कल्की, तो हमने उनसे पूछ ही लिया उनके प्रेगनेंसी को लेकर चल रहे रूमर्स के बारे में। इस क्वेश्चन को कल्की ने कैसे किया फेस, आप खुद ही देख लीजिए।
She's petite, she's quirky, but she's all here for the food awards. She'll talk about food and a lot of other things. Let's ask her. Hi, Kalki.
Hello, how are you?
I am great. You look fantastic. So, we're in the food awards. How much of a foodie are you, and is it difficult when you're losing weight?
I am a foodie. I love food. I love all the worst things like burgers and French fries and molten chocolate cake. But obviously I don't eat it every day. Most of the time I can't afford to eat like all that every day. But I'm pretty lucky. I don't have to worry too much.
Anushka Sharma's weight is like everywhere now in the news. That's she's too thin and she's anorexic. You've seen Anushka. What is your take on that? And then do you think she's...
No, I mean I think she has a natural thin build. I don't think she's somebody who tries to be thin. She's always been thin. So and I'm the same, I have a thin build. I don't put on weight easily, so we're very lucky that way. I'm sorry, don't hate us.
Absolutely not. I think envy is more the word. But so tell us about the fact that when you talk about food, what's the first thing that comes to your mind, and how much? I remember you like biryanis a lot, both Anurag and you. So what's the first thing that comes to my mind? Probably Kashmiri food. It's my favorite. So all the yakni and only the Kashmiri food.
Well, no, just that's one of the first things that comes to my mind. But I love lots of food. I love Bengali food. I love South Indian food. I love lasagna, Italian food.
Let me ask you, Kalki, what's the biggest rumor you've heard till now?
Biggest rumor I've heard about myself. The famous ones was me getting pregnant. But unfortunately, the baby obviously just popped out and disappeared because it's not there.
Okay, the baby is nowhere nearby at the moment. Well, there you are. That was Kalki. Thank you so much. And Brian Chatraj with cameraman Amol Zoom.
खबरों का सिलसिला चलता रहेगा, लेकिन उससे पहले देखिए हमारी ये स्पेशल स्टोरी।
शीला की जवानी बदनाम हुई, डार्लिंग तरह लिए मुन्नी के गाल गुलाबी शराबी चाल शराबी रे।
2010 में शुरू हुई शीला और मुन्नी की जंग। अब 2012 में एक बार फिर आमने सामने आ सकती हैं मलाइका और कटरीना। जी हाँ, मलाइका और कटरीना एक बार फिर अपने अपने आइटम नंबर के लिए कर रही हैं जबरदस्त तैयारियां। कटरीना मराठी मुलगी बनकर सबका दिल जीतने की कोशिश करेंगी, तो मलाइका अनारकली बनकर सबका दिल लूटने के लिए तैयार हैं। कटरीना कैफ करण जौहर की फिल्म अग्निपथ में करने जा रही है एक आइटम नंबर चिकनी चमेली, जिसके लिए वो कर रही हैं जबरदस्त प्रैक्टिस। देखिए, इस सॉन्ग के लिए कटरीना ने मराठी स्टाइल में नव्वारी साड़ी भी पहनी है। तो वहीं मलाइका साजिद खान की फिल्म हाउसफुल 2 में भी करने जा रही है एक आइटम सॉन्ग। ये सॉन्ग कैसा होगा, खुद मलाइका से सुन लीजिए।
Anarkali, that's what it is. Anarkali, chali, disco. It's very different. You can't really compare, but I keep my fingers crossed that people like it, and again it becomes a chart buster, but it's completely different. It's nothing like Munni at all.
सुना आपने, मलाइका इस बार मुन्नी बनकर बदनाम होने की बजाय अनारकली बनकर डिस्को डांस करेंगी। इतना ही नहीं, उन्हें अपने इस डांस नंबर के चार्ट बस्टर होने का भी पूरा भरोसा है। वेल मलाइका, हम तो बस इतना ही कहेंगे कि आप अपने इस आइटम नंबर को मुन्नी से भी ज्यादा तड़का लगा दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस बार भी आपका कंपटीशन शीला कटरीना से है, जिन्होंने पिछली बार भी आपको दी थी कड़ी टक्कर। पर रुद्रानी चटोराज, जूम, मुंबई।
Well, this was the entertainment dose for today. पर अगर आप नहीं मिस करना चाहते हैं entertainment news का कोई भी dose, then don't forget to watch Planet Bollywood News every day at 7 p.m. कल हम फिर हाजिर होंगे लेकर B-Town की और भी exciting और latest gossips. So keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.